Hey guys, if you want to change your email address in KuCoin application, then this video is for you. First, you just need to open your KuCoin application, then wait until this ad turn off. Now from here you'll find at the top left corner you'll find your account icon. You can tap on it, and from here you can just go to the security. Now from here you'll find in this section passkey, phone and email. You can tap on email address just because we are changing our email in this video. So here you'll find the change email option here, and the unbind email, that's mean if you go with this unbind email, that's mean you are unlinking or removing your email account totally from your account. Now if you want to change it with another email address and you have to add another new email address on your account, then you can go with this change email. Now from here you can find some instruction, then it will that if you change your email once, then you are unable to change it again between 3 to 4 hours. So remember that. Now tap on confirm, and then here you have to go through a verification process. The first one is email verification code. It will send the code, the verification code, to your email that you have associated with your KuCoin account. So now my current Gmail is not associated with this KuCoin account. Now from here I have already got this code here, and I can paste it here. Now the SMS verification, if you add your phone number, and you must need to have this phone number on your phone or another device to get a verification code, just because of SMS verification code will be received by your phone number. So you just need to tap on send, so it will send the verification code to your phone number through SMS. So you have to wait until you got the SMS verification code. It might take a little longer than the email, so you have to wait till you get the code on your SMS inbox. So right now it might be late too much, so I don't want to hold for it right now. So you just need to enter that verification code in your SMS verification code. Now in the two-factor authentication code, you have to you are going to got this two-factor authentication code from your Google Authenticator. So at the very beginning you must need to connect your KuCoin application with your Google Authenticator to get the two-factor authenticator code from this Google Authenticator. So you have to save it with the name of your account and remember the name, and you just need to tap on the code of that account, then make sure that you have pasted it or use that code until the times run out. So you just need to paste it, and you can just tap on next button, and it will just confirm your verification. It will verify you, and the verification process will be completed. Then you can simply add a new Gmail there, then you can confirm it, and there in that Gmail you will get a verification code. You just need to enter that verification code. You will find the verify email in blue color text. You can just tap on it, and you'll find a blank box will pop up, and then you can just enter that verification code in that section, and you can just confirm that new email that you are changing with your current email. So that's how you can just simply change your email on KuCoin application. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.